In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quick poll in Microsoft Teams. Polls are a great way to engage your team, collect feedback, or make decisions more efficiently. So let's dive in and see just how easy it is to set up a poll right within Microsoft Teams. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams and navigate to the channel or chat where you want to create your poll. This step is important because polls are created contextually, they appear right in the thread you're working in. Once you're in the correct channel or chat, click on the New Conversation button. This opens up the usual space where you would type a message, and it's the starting point for crafting your poll. Next, look below the message box. You'll notice an array of icons. These icons provide different functionalities you can add to your post. Locate and click on the three-dot icon labeled More Options. A menu will appear, showing various additional apps. From this menu, select Forms. If Forms do not immediately appear, you may need to search for it by typing Forms in the search bar above. Selecting it connects you to Microsoft Forms, where you can craft your poll. Now, you'll see a pop-up window with a simple form setup. This is where you input your poll question. Think of a concise yet clear question that captures what you want to find out. Below the question field, add your answer options. Try to anticipate the range of responses you might receive and provide enough options to cover the bases. For example, if your question allows for a yes or no response, those will be your only two options. However, if your question requires more nuanced responses, make sure to include all relevant options. After entering your question and answers, take a moment to review what you've entered. This ensures your poll is clear and free of mistakes. Once everything looks good, click Save. Now, you're almost ready to send it out into the world. Before you send the poll, consider your audience. Your colleagues might appreciate a little context. It could be a short message explaining the poll's purpose or how the results will be used. With your context set and the poll ready, click Send. Your poll will appear in the chat, allowing all recipients to see and respond immediately. Finally, after your audience has had time to respond, you can view the results in real time. The data from your poll can guide the next steps in your group's project, offer a consensus on an important issue, or simply foster more interactive communication within your team. Polls in Teams are a quick and effective way to gauge opinions and keep the conversation flowing. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to create polls in Microsoft Teams. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.